Meaning of 49er.
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 49er. 49er refers to the people who participated in the California Gold Rush of 1849. These were individuals who migrated to California from around the world in search of gold and other opportunities. The term 49er specifically refers to those who arrived in California in the year 1849. The gold rush had a significant impact on California's economy, as well as its demographics and cultural identity. It is often considered a defining moment in the history of the American West and a symbol of the country's pioneering spirit.